Integrity is an app that allows you to interact with large language models in the form of a page or a canvas. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. I'm actually going to open up a new canvas. And as you can see, we've just got a canvas listed out here. I can type in some text and say, hey, this is a test. Or better still, what I can do is I can say, what are the primary use cases of large language models in startups and let's just say in startups, and then I'm just going to click ask AI and I'm just going to click enter. So it's basically going to run that prompt. It's running it through Gemini 2.5, and then I can get the answer and just easily just sort of add it to the canvas here. So if I click this, I can also edit it, which is really handy. I can add some more line breaks if I choose to do so. But what I'm going to do in this case is I'm just going to click drop on canvas, and if we let's just go out here, let me just click that again, so I can now just drag this and drop it on here. Sweet. So I've now got, I can delete that now if I want to do so. Actually, I'll leave it and I'll just leave this above this section here. Cool. So now I've got this listed out here. If I want, I can actually start, connecting this to other sort of chats. And if I wanted to say, okay, what are some daily tasks then that AI can help people with when it comes to, let's say, basic admin. Cool. So I'm going to click ask AI. I can also I can also just run this. I think, okay, it looks like Gemini 2. Flash is the only model. And let's say I'm just going to run this again and see what we get here.
So I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
If I want, I can also, it looks like I can also publish canvases as well. Okay, cool. So we've got all this kind of stuff. And this is also quite quick. I'm going to click drop on canvas again. I'm actually going to just drop it over here. So what I'll do in this case is I'll get rid of this initial box and I'll just put it up on here, and I'll just say daily AI tasks. Cool. Nice. So that's how the canvas works. And as you can see, it opens up like different canvases as well for the prompt that you type in. What I'll do now is I'll go into the pages. If I want, I can just add a page, and then I can start writing about something like easiest wins for startups looking to incorporate AI to save themselves time, energy, attention, and money. Cool. So I can do that. I can click ask AI, and then I can press enter, and then this will just open up another page here on the right. Cool. So I've seen that we've got all of this on here. Now I can drop this on the canvas. If I click drop on canvas, then I can essentially just put it up on here and just add it to I can just add it as a drop down for this main canvas I've got here, and then I can just delete this page. Cool. So this is how pages work. I think this is a really cool sort of easy to use platform. You can also easily add a split view. You can add multiple split views. So yeah, definitely check this out if you think this would be an easier way to work. It seems to be a nice and modular way to essentially get information into and out of documents and canvases. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.